Guys, it's Carrie with Fullerton Professional Organizing, and today we're going to talk about all the things that we can do in 15 minutes. We're just talking about the power of 15 minutes, whether it's decluttering or organizing or cleaning. First, we're going to talk about Dawn from the Minimal Mom and what she says about 15 minutes. She says you can take a box or a drawer, you can take a small basket of items, and you can declutter in 15 minutes. But she says the 15-minute, but what you can do is ask yourself questions while you're going through a box or a basket or bin or drawer, desk. Have I used it in the last year? What will make you use it next year? Is anything in your life going to change that will make you use this item next year if you didn't use it this year? Can it be replaced inexpensively? Can you just go pick up another one at Goodwill, or can you spend $15 or less replacing it if you get rid of it and need it again? If someone offered to buy it, would you keep it or sell it? These are some good questions to ask. All right, now another YouTuber, Hill Cottage, she lists some things that she feels like anyone can declutter in 15 minutes. One is your silverware drawer, manuals and instruction booklets, because now all of that can be found online, or you can watch a YouTube video and someone has most likely done a YouTube video on it. Newspapers and magazines, again, you can find anything you want to find online. But the old ones that you've already looked at, if there's anything in there that you think you have to have, just tear it out and donate the newspapers and magazines. Bath linens, makeup, toiletries, coats or jackets. How about decluttering the front or the side of your refrigerator? Do you have way too many things stuck to your refrigerator? Windowsills, CDs and DVDs. Inside all the purses, handbags, and backpacks in your home. Have they accumulated things that maybe there wasn't a trash can available, so you stuck it in your purse for later and then it just never was taken out and thrown away? Your vehicle, games and puzzles, one drawer in your desk, in your kitchen. Cleaning supplies can be decluttered. Your bedside table can be decluttered. These are all places that you could probably declutter in about 15 minutes. All right, now we're going to go to the YouTuber Judi the Organizer, and I'm not going to tell you her full name because I can't pronounce it, so we'll just go with Judi the Organizer. That's the name of her organizing YouTube channel. She says, here's how you can declutter a whole room in 15 minutes. Now, she's not talking about deep decluttering. She's just talking about surface decluttering. Take 2 baskets, a donation bin and a trash bin, and go to all of your flat surfaces. This is how I declutter and clean my spaces. I go in, anything that goes into a different room, I actually use one basket. She uses 2 baskets, but it's the same concept. You're taking everything that off of the flat surfaces that do not belong on the flat surfaces. Your nightstand, the tops of your nightstands, the tops of your chest of drawers, coffee tables, end tables, and floors. Put all of that stuff in a basket. Now, you can do what she does. Everything that goes in a different room, in a different basket. Everything that stays in that room, in its basket. But however you do it, you're going to take all the things that belong in that bedroom that were on the flat surfaces that were not supposed to be there, and you're going to now put them where they belong. So you've collected everything that does not belong on all the flat surfaces. Now you're going to put away everything that's in the baskets. Then you can put away all the things that belong in another room, or, save it for when you're decluttering that room. That may be another reason to have the 2 baskets. But yes, that's a real quick 15-minute declutter and clean. Then you can go about, let me see what my notes say. Bin for items that go in the room, and bin for items that do not go in that room. And then, of course, trash in the trash, and things that you want to donate as you go. Clear off the flat surfaces, put all of them back where they belong. Dust, vacuum, or sweep. And that's it for that room. Well, that same concept can be used when we talk about Nikki Cotton. Nikki Cotton and how she tackles keeping her whole house clean. Now there's another, Nikki Cotton, her YouTube is Carrie Grace. And she says, when you do not want to clean, set a timer for 15 minutes. If there's something that really, really, really is the thing that you hate the most, but you need to get it done, just set a timer and give yourself permission to only start on it and do it for 15 minutes. Then if you're not finished, you can tackle it in another 15 minutes another day or later on in the day. But then at least you've gotten it started and you've broke it down into a small, manageable amount of time that even if it's a task that you absolutely hate, you only have to do it for 15 minutes and then you can finish it at another time. But she uses the Fly Lady cleaning system. Now, she says she has tweaked it to work for her. And I do like the Fly Lady system, but it's a little overwhelming for me. So the tweaking it for you, to work for you, really does work the best. The 15 minutes will let you know how much you can get done in 15 minutes. No matter what the project is, if you set the timer for 15 minutes, you could start on it and it could wind up only taking you 5 minutes. But now you set a timer for 15 minutes and now it really only took 5 minutes, and it's a way to kind of change your mindset now. You're like, oh, okay, this job is only going to take 5 minutes. I can do this. She says, let's see. Oh, yeah. Okay, so now more about Nikki Cotton from Carrie Grace. Nikki shows on her YouTube channel why we don't have to set aside large chunks of time to keep our homes clean. We just need little pockets of 15 minutes. If there's a particular task that you don't like, this is kind of a review, or keep putting off, set a timer for 15 minutes and work on it. give yourself permission to be done when the timer goes off. And like I said, you can finish it at another time if you didn't get it done. Or once you've gotten started, you'll probably just finish it. One of the things that I really desired was for our home to be a place of peace and rest for our family. I had to make some changes, and I had to figure out how to put some kind of structure in our home. So that's when she decided to try out all these systems, and she settled on the Fly Lady, and then she made it work for her and her family. Your routines may not take as long to complete as you might think. Try timing them to see if they fit in the 15-minute window. If you are having an off day or not feeling motivated, just set the timer for 15 minutes and see what you can get done. A lot of times 15 minutes will build momentum, and then you'll decide to keep going. But if you don't, that's okay too. You've made progress. Now, here's things that she does. Now, you can tweak this and make it work for you, or you can find your own system and add some of these ideas in. But she starts the day with a morning routine that works for her. Nikki's consists of, she makes the bed, wipes down the bathroom, starts a load of laundry, and empties the dishwasher. Although now that her kids are older, the kids' chore is to empty the dishwasher. All this is less than 15 minutes. Your evening routine may take a little longer than 15 minutes, but it is a very important part of the day. It's important to get the kitchen cleaned up, sweep the floors if necessary, and make sure all laundry is put away. Now, assign each weekday a focus, such as kitchen day, errand day, etc. Use a 15-minute window of time to devote to that focus. Now, what she does for her focus time, she has kitchen on Mondays. Then Tuesdays, she does a quick clean, which if we have enough time, I'll go over that. And Wednesday is her desk time. She does paperwork, does her meal planning, stuff like that. And then Thursdays and Fridays, she does a 15-minute zone cleaning. And we'll talk about that in a minute as well. Now, her Tuesday quick clean is wipe mirrors and flat TV screens, dust furniture, vacuum floors, wash and change sheets, clean showers and bathtub. And she cleans her shower, though, when she's done taking a shower. So that helps in that area. Okay, so let me reread this. Assign each weekday a focus, such as kitchen day, errand day, and use a 15-minute window of time to devote to that focus area. Now, of course, errand day is probably going to be more than 15 minutes. For deep cleaning, break up your home into zones and dedicate a week per zone. Then you will spend 15 minutes a day focused just on that zone during the deeper cleaning each day. So actually, she's probably going to spend 30 minutes of cleaning, because she's got the 15-minute a day, and then she's got the deep cleaning for 15 minutes a day. And how she has that broken down is in zones, is she spends a whole week. Now, here's how she has it broke down: entry, kitchen, living room, bedrooms, and bathrooms. But what if you have a dining room and a office, etc.? So I figured there's 4 weeks in a month. Entry and living room, it'll be, you spend all week 15 minutes a day. And then kitchen and dining, just 15 minutes a day, because remember, you're doing the dishes every night. And then all the bedrooms on week 3, spending 15 minutes a day. And the bathrooms would be the 4th week, and that's doing the deep 15 minutes of deep cleaning, because you're already spending your time doing some of the quicker things. All right, so let me read this in my notes again. For deep cleaning, break up your home into zones and dedicate a week per zone. Then you will spend 15 minutes a day focused just on that zone during the deeper cleaning, 15-minute deeper cleaning. Just remember, you don't have to do everything at one time. Just keep working at it. All right, that was it for the 15 minutes of decluttering, organizing, and cleaning to keep your home feeling fresh and clean. And of course, this may not work perfectly for everyone, but you can figure out how to make it work for you and your family. Just make your schedule, and you may have to involve everyone. Like she says, the kids unload the dishwasher, so you may have to delegate some of this to other family members. All right, guys, I will see you on the next podcast. Thanks for watching.